Welcome back to my channel, your one-stop channel for tank reviews, breakdowns, and battlefield beasts from the past, present, and future. And today, we've got something special lined up, a full review of the 2026 T22 tank, the latest armored titan making waves in the modern battlefield scene. The T22 is the newest generation main battle tank developed as part of the Coalition Armor Initiative, combining American, European, and AI-driven design efforts. It's designed not just to survive the battlefield, but dominate it. We're looking at a 58-ton hybrid tank operated by a 3-person crew, commander, gunner, and driver, all supported by an integrated AI system. It's powered by a hybrid turbo diesel and electric drive system, reaching speeds up to 75 km/h on roads, and 50 off-road. This tank comes equipped with composite adaptive armor, a 130mm smoothbore main cannon, and a 12.7mm remote weapon station for secondary fire. Visually, the T22 looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. The low, aggressive profile combined with angular armor panels is not just for style, it's built for stealth. The adaptive camouflage system is a standout feature, capable of adjusting its pattern and color based on the surrounding environment, temperature, and even lighting conditions. Imagine a tank that actually blends into the battlefield. On top of that, the armor is a mix of steel alloys, ceramics, and advanced nanomaterials designed to deflect both kinetic and chemical energy rounds. And to top it off, there's the Vanguard Active Protection System, a 360-degree defensive shield that detects and neutralizes incoming missiles and RPGs before they even reach the armor. Inside the T22 is where it gets truly futuristic. Forget the cramped, analog interiors of older tanks. Everything is digital and intuitive. High-resolution smart displays wrap around each crew station, and there are even gesture control features for managing systems. The AI co-pilot assists the commander with threat detection and prioritization, giving this tank a serious edge in reaction time and situational awareness. The commander can even launch and control recon drones right from the cockpit, while the gunner has access to multiple targeting modes, from thermal to electromagnetic, at the swipe of a screen. Meanwhile, the driver can rely on the AI for autonomous navigation during high-risk or long-duration operations. Now let's talk about firepower. The T22's 130mm smoothbore gun is a serious upgrade from the 120mm standard. It's capable of firing a wide range of munitions, armor-piercing, programmable airburst rounds, and even guided missiles. With an autoloader system, this tank can pump out up to 10 rounds per minute with minimal recoil, and with pinpoint accuracy thanks to its state-of-the-art fire control system and laser-assisted targeting. The remote-controlled 12.7mm machine gun mounted on top adds extra utility against drones, infantry, and light vehicles, giving it full-spectrum engagement options. When it comes to performance and mobility, the T22 really breaks the mold. Its hybrid propulsion allows for both raw power and stealth, with the diesel engine powering high-speed movements and the electric motor enabling near-silent operation in close range or ambush scenarios. The tank handles rough terrain with ease thanks to its adaptive suspension system, which automatically adjusts to uneven ground, slopes, and water crossings. Despite its heavy armor and size, the T22 moves like a machine half its weight, making it incredibly versatile on modern battlefields. What really sets the T22 apart, though, are the next general features. First, there's full AI integration, not just for automation, but for tactical support. The AI can scan for threats, recommend firing solutions, and even take over driving in emergency situations. Then there's the modular architecture, which allows for quick swaps of weapons, armor packages, or support systems depending on the mission. Add in its stealth capabilities, low radar profile, adaptive camo, and electric drive, and you've got a tank that can sneak up as well as smash through. Oh, and let's not forget about the built-in recon drones. The T22 carries 2 of them in the rear bay, ready to scout, mark targets, or extend like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next drop. From retro tank classics to futuristic armored warfare, our You My Tank has you covered. Thanks for watching, stay armored, and see you in